Hello, this is Evelyn from Average Salon in Taiwan, and as you may know, Y2K is one of the biggest trends right now. Whether it's the fashion or beauty, it's all about experimenting with colors, details, and playing with textures to represent the fashion as Gen Z. In today's look, the color is inspired by aurora, as we would like to create a healing journey for this spiritual life. Also, using highlights technologies and playing different color placement for emphasizing the Y2K aesthetics will be the key in today's video. Thanks for watching and hope you can find lots of inspirations for today's concept. See you in next video.